Okay folks, so a little explanation of using acetic acid. This is the product, which is 80% acetic acid. It's a strong acid and it's a strong solution. Wear gloves, wear protection. So what we found is we found some wax moth evidence in one of the brew boxes that we've had in storage for a little while, and we want to do something about it. So I've put 110 ml of the acetic acid and measured it out into this jar. I've taken the precaution before I've done it is any metal parts like the runners in the hives are protected with Vaseline, because acetic acid can damage metal. It can also damage concrete, so I've made sure that when I put this it's sitting on a wood base on a piece of concrete that's upside down, so if there's any damage it's not to anything essential. The other thing I've got as well is this fume pad, and the fume pad is to absorb the acetic acid before you seal it up. So I'm going to put the final frame back in, put the final frame back in. Here is the fume pad, 2 seconds. There was a big close-up of the frame, so I'm going to pour the acetic acid onto the fume pad, soaking it in nice and evenly if I can, till it's all in, and then I'm going to put a lid on this arrangement to seal it up, and push it back onto the wood, let it started on. Now leave that for about a week. If you're going to make a stack of boxes, you need one of those fume pads for each box with 110 ml on it, and the higher the stack gets, the more you need to stop any air leaking in and out of it. So you might want to wrap it with some sort of tape, box tape or something like that, so there's minimal air gets in. After a week you can take it off. The stuff will still handle it with gloves because it still can be a bit toxic. And then let the boxes air before you use them, because it smells of very, very strong salt and vinegar crisps. That's it for using acetic acid to fumigate. For wax moth, it also works for nosema as well, nosema spores in a box.